Guys, what if I told you that you never have to manually search for potential leads or clients ever again? What if you could just ask an AI to find the perfect, high-paying clients for your business and it actually works? Imagine finding a list of thousands of highly qualified leads, and instead of spending hours typing out cold outreach, the AI automatically writes a hyper-personalized email and sends it to all of them at once. Whether you are looking for clients for your agency, investors for your startup, or influencers to promote your product, this tool handles it all. Today, I'm going to show you a platform that will save you hundreds of hours. I'm talking about Lessie AI. This AI agent does the heavy lifting, like it's nothing. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into the screen. All right, first things first, you need to head over to the official Lessie AI website. Now, let me be completely transparent. This is a premium paid tool, but do not worry. I have provided an exclusive invite code down in the description so you can grab some free credits and test this software out for yourself before you commit to anything. When you log into the homepage, the interface is incredibly clean and beginner-friendly. If you have ever used ChatGPT, you will feel right at home. You will see 4 main options on the sidebar: New Chat, Process, Email, and My List. You literally just explain what you need in plain English, and the AI takes action. But trust me, this is way more advanced than ChatGPT because it acts as a fully autonomous search agent. Let me show you exactly how powerful this is. Let's say I'm running a digital marketing agency in the United States, and I'm looking for fresh startups to pitch my services to. I'm simply going to tell the AI to find my perfect clients. I'm going to paste this exact prompt. Find me founders, CEOs, or heads of marketing at early-stage startups based in any city in the USA. Companies must be 0 to 5 years old, have raised seed or Series A funding in the last 24 months, 5 to 50 employees, and be actively scaling. Look for people posting about growth or marketing challenges on LinkedIn or X. Return their LinkedIn profile, personal/company email, company name, funding amount, location, and a match score. Guys, you do not need to overcomplicate this. Just explain your exact problem in simple language. Hit generate, and 90% of your manual work is instantly done. The agent goes to work scanning the entire internet to find the best clients based on those exact requirements. In hardly a minute, the research is completely done, and boom, look at this. Now pay close attention here because it doesn't just give you a messy block of text. Lessie AI generates this incredibly organized, high-tech, smart table view. For beginners, this is an absolute lifesaver because you can clearly see how all the results are structured and organized. If you look at the columns, you have everything laid out perfectly. The match score. This is genius. It tells you exactly how relevant this client is to your specific prompt. Some will say 100%, others might be 80%. You immediately know who your hottest leads are. Role and funding. It shows you their exact title, like CEO or co-founder, and details their recent company funding, so you know they actually have a budget. If you click on a lead's profile, it opens an expanded tab. Scroll down, and Lessie provides the exact reference links where it pulled the data from, like PitchBook, Crunchbase, or LinkedIn. You can verify that the information is 100% accurate. All of your manual detective work is completely finished in 60 seconds. But wait, you don't even have to leave Lessie AI to do your outreach. Let me show you a feature that is going to save you countless hours. Just click the tick boxes to select all of your top leads directly in the Smart Table and hit Compose Email. With this option, you can bulk email your entire list at once. It will ask for your business name, so I will type in AI Biceps and hit Confirm. Now we need our email content. Instead of writing a boring cold email manually, look for the purple star icon. This is Lessie's built-in AI composition tool. I'm going to give it this prompt. Now create me a strong clickbait email for my lead. It must be in English, start with their first name, and mention my digital marketing services at AI Biceps, where we use the latest AI technology to promote new startups. Hit generate, and the AI crafts the perfect email instantly. It automatically adds dynamic tags like first_name and company so that every single person gets a highly personalized email.
Once you are happy with the draft, just hit send and it fires off those personalized emails to all your leads in one single click. It is an absolute game changer. Now, what if you want to take this massive list of leads and give it to your sales team or just organize it in your own system for outreach? Lessie makes this super easy with their export function. Right up here, you just click the export button and it instantly downloads your entire contact list straight to your computer in an Excel spreadsheet format. But let me give you a quick pro tip. If you prefer working in the cloud and want to add this to your Google Workspace, it is super simple. Just open up a blank Google Sheet in your browser. Go up to the top left corner and click on File. Scroll down and click on Open. Then go over to the Upload tab right here and simply drag and drop that Excel file you just downloaded from Lessie. And just like that, your entire perfectly structured smart table is now inside Google Sheets, ready for your team to use for outreach. And remember, you can find any kind of contact with this tool. If you are launching a product and need promotion, just type "Find me Instagram influencers" in the AI niche with more than 5,000 average views. Lessie will instantly pivot and build you a massive list of highly targeted influencers ready for brand deals. Now keep in mind, you are not just limited to finding clients. You can use this exact same process to hunt down B2B leads, potential business partners, or even scout top-tier employees to hire for your team. But here is a massive pro tip. What if you want to see exactly how good these results are, but you don't want to burn through your credits just to test it out? Do not worry. Lessie actually provides a massive library of real use cases right on the homepage. If you scroll down, you will see tons of pre-generated results. For example, if I go to the hiring section and click on one of their use cases, boom, it takes me straight into this advanced smart table that is already loaded with real data pulled by Lessie AI. You can literally study how the AI organizes the data, check the accuracy, and see the full potential of the tool without spending a single credit. And the craziest part, these example lists are 100% shareable and downloadable right out of the gate. It is an absolutely incredible option if you just want to test the waters before running your own prompts. So guys, that is Lessie AI. As I mentioned, I have dropped an exclusive invite code in the description below so you can grab some free credits and test the sheer power of this AI for yourself. Honestly, if you run a business or an agency, this tool is a massive cheat code. Go explore it. All the links are down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the hype button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Keep building.